Moving on, Y Combinator-backed Insurtech startup Bimaplan got $3.5 million in a pre-Series A funding round. The round was led by Orios Venture Partners, and existing investors like Finsight Ventures and 2AM VC also participated in the round. Now, the latest funding round takes the total investment secured by Bimaplan to $6 million. Now, the startup will use the funds towards enhancing its technology platform and launch new products. Joining us now to discuss this further is Vikul Goyal, the founder and CEO of Bimaplan. Vic, thank you so much for joining us on the show today. Bimaplan essentially helps insurance companies craft affordable products and reach low and middle income customer segments. So talk to us about how you're using this and what do you have on offer?
First of all, thanks, Arundhati, for inviting me. See, if you look at the insurance sector, insurance companies have largely focused on affluent segment of customers. And the distribution channels largely used for that have been offline in nature, right? Using agent networks and broking channels. Now, there are certain limitations posed by offline networks in terms of the policy size that you can sell, in a profitable manner, right? And which is why a lot of the lower middle income populations do not either have awareness of the products or access to these kind of products, right?
Right.
So what we are doing is we're working with insurance companies to create a technology platform, or we've created a technology platform which works with insurance companies to be able to profitably distribute these products to these end consumers, which otherwise would not have access to these kind of products. So what we do is we analyze a lot of data, we help them craft those or underwrite those plans, and we help them distribute those plans with the help of channel partners,
right,
who are already connected to these users in tier 2 towns and beyond.
Sure.
So this is, we are a full stack platform. We help the entire user journey on our platform for these insurance companies
Absolutely.
and distributors to create higher insurance penetration
right.
and adoption of these plans into these segments which traditionally haven't had insurance penetration.
Correct. So you're helping let tier 2 and beyond cities have access to these products that otherwise they didn't have. You've raised $3.5 million about last week. How do you plan to use these funds? If you could quickly tell us also any new offerings in the pipeline?
Yes, absolutely. See, the whole idea is to reach as many people that need insurance but do not have access. So a large part of the funds will be utilized to create new channels and to create a deeper distribution network to reach the end customers. A part of the funding will also go to strengthen our own capabilities in terms of hiring our team, scaling our technology platform, and building more relevant products and working with sort of more insurers to build those products, which will ultimately help more people.
Sure. And you're also essentially creating insurance products for Bharat, right? So what's working? Which products are you seeing the most demand for? And how many people have you catered to? And how do you plan to grow this?
Absolutely. See, there is no one-size-fits-all in this segment. It's a very non-homogenized audience. What works for a farmer is different from what works from a delivery personnel in an urban location, right? So what we do is we kind of understand the risk in the life of that particular segment of the population, and we work with insurers to customize products to cover for those kind of risks. Just to give you an example, right? We are working with a set of farmers and farmer producer organizations in Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and Telangana, where we are creating a product where there is a risk protection in case of a vector-borne disease, for example, dengue or malaria or any mosquito bite diseases, or a snake bite while working in the farm, and so on and so forth, right? Which is more relevant to that farmer. But we're also working with e-commerce delivery companies to provide an accident insurance for their delivery riders, for example, right? So products for every segment are different. I think one thing that is common across when we design these products, or the approach that we take is that it has to be affordable. It has to be a non-starter when a person starts to think, should I buy this? Can I afford this? Right? Because this is a new concept, right? Insurance is not something that people have used before, especially in that segment. So you need to kind of give them, micro products for them to kind of take the benefit of those products, and then learn more about it. And what happens is, once someone gets a claim, it communicates within that community that this insurance has helped that person. So I think the idea is to give these insurances, but also to kind of create that awareness and confidence that these are products that work and will help in case of unfortunate incidences.
Right, absolutely. So no one-size-fit-all model over there. But what about revenues? What are you currently clocking, and what are the targets you're seeing for this year end?
Absolutely. So I don't think we are still an early stage company. The North Star for us is the number of people that we serve. We've served over 1 million customers over the last 2 years. On a monthly basis, we serve over 150,000 customers per month. These are new customers that we onboard through our platform. So that's sort of the North Star metric for us. In terms of revenues, while I can't disclose the actual numbers, but we are generating revenues, and we are while we are loss making, we have reduced our burn by 50% over the last 1 quarter, and we continue to do so. Build the startup in a profitable, sustainable manner.
Right. So you've reduced your burn by 50%. All right, Vikul, we're completely out of time, but thank you so much for joining us on the show today. I also know you're really unwell. Hope you get well soon as well.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.